Well, I noticed a lot of new faces this evening, and I'm so glad you all came. And I want you to know that this is a safe place to share. So if you want to tell us your story, there'll be no judgment.
Hi, my name's Charlie. As you know, I have a problem, and my problem is loving these old cars. I just wanted to do a quick video today. This might be pretty basic for some of you guys, but I'll be honest, I couldn't find it anywhere when I was looking. So we wanted to replace all the lights in our 300. This is a 1988 300 CE. We wanted to replace all the lighting with LED lights. I did another video talking about the Hyper Flash with the turn signals in the front, but the first time we bought those bulbs, they worked fine. We bought the headlight LEDs, no problem. But I wanted to do the rear, and I tried several times to order bulbs and they were never the same. So even though it said it was gonna work for my vehicle, I could have been screwing that up, I'm sure. But even though everything I saw said it was gonna work. So I kept ordering these LED bulbs, and they would come and they wouldn't work exactly right. They were the right size base, but the nipples were in the wrong place. There's probably a better word for those things, but I'm gonna call them nipples because it's funny and I enjoy saying nipples. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So these are the bulbs that I've been getting. This is what I kept getting. This is actually for the front, but it's the same situation for the ones I kept buying in the back. If you see these nipples, they're staggered. So the left one's shorter than, or the left one's lower down than the right one. 1157 is the number designation for that. And apparently what I needed was 1156. Now there's a bunch of numbers. I don't know the difference between 1157 and 1156 as far as what else it means or what other numbers are important. But I just know if you type in LED 1157, this staggered nipple one will come up. And if you type in 1156, like this guy right here, you can see the nipples are at the same level. And that allows them to push in and turn. Now, I may be doing this prematurely because I still haven't tried these particular LEDs yet, but I do know that those nipples are in the right place and the bases are the right size. So in theory, I think that's the ones I needed because it matches the incandescent bulbs that I'm replacing them with. Those LEDs look good. Again, you guys might already know this, and no problem. Maybe I'm just late to the party, but I did want to let you guys know because I couldn't find this information anywhere, and I actually had to ask a buddy, and he told me about the 1157 and 1156 thing. So hopefully that helps some of you guys out. Until the next one,